Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shafi Bowo. I am nursing student from Universitas Aisyah Bandung. I am from class 2B. Today I am going to explain about tips and tricks for reading number 4 or 6. To start with the first discussion is skill 4. Skill 4 implied detail question. How to identify the question. It is implied in the passage that it can be inferred from the passage that it is mostly likely that what probably happened. Where to find the answer? The answer to this question are found in order in the passage. How to answer the question? Number 1, choose a keyword in the question. Number 2, scan the avoid part of the passage for the keyword for stage ID. Number 3, read the sentence that contains the keyword or ID careful. Number 4, look for the answer that contains the keyword carefully. Extreme of skill 4. The number of rings in a dray can be used to determine how old a dray really is. Each year a tree products a ring that is composed of one light colored with band and one dark colored narrow band. The wider band is produced during the spring and early summer, when the stem cells grow rapidly and becomes larger. The narrower band is produced in fall and early winter, when cell growth is much slower and cells do not get very large. No cells are produced during the harsh winter and summer months. Number 1, it is implied in the passage that if a tree has 100 with bands and 100 band, it is A, canter old, B, 2 canters old, C, 50 years old, D, 200 years old. Explanation: there has 100 with bands and 100 narrow bands can be counted that a tree with 100 with bands and 100 narrow bands is 100 years old. A century old. Now let's move on the skill 5 vocabulary in context question. How to identify the question. What is the meaning? Which of the following is closest meaning to ... Could be referred by which of the following? Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. How to answer the question? Find the word or expression in the passage. Number 2, read the sentence that contains the word careful. Number 3, look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. Number 4, cause the answer that the context indicates. Example of skill number 5. Aline in the passage number 1 sees a large geranium growing in a pot in the corner of the apartment. The question: A. Geranium is probably which of the following? A. A sofa. B. A chair. C. A fish. D. A plant. Explanation: because in the dead fourth geranium, so the right answer is a plant. Now let's continue with the last skill, which is skill 6. Skill 6 word question. How to identify the question? Where is the passage? Where to find the answer? The question usually tells you in which line of the passage the words or expression can be found. How to answer the question? Number 1, find two words expressed to or expression in the passage. Number 2, read the sentence that contains the word careful. Number 3, look for the context clues to help you understand the meaning. Number 4, cause the answer that the context indicates. Example skill 6. Example, the passage, the word capital and capital are confused in spelling and in meaning by a lot of people who try to understand them. But their spellings and their meanings are quite closely related. E. Capital is the location of the center of government, while a capital is actual building where the government officials met, thus in the states. For example, the Capitol building is located in Washington, D.C., which is the capital city of the United States. Question number 1, where in the passage does the author define the word capital? A. Lines 1 or 2. B. Lines 3. C. Lines 4. D. Lines 6 and 8. Explanation: line 4 capital is the location of the center of government. A capital, the actual building where the government official meet. Maybe that's all I can present. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.